Hey guys, so happy Friday! Last trading day of the week. We're off to another weekend. Hope you guys had a good and exciting trading week. To those who are investing, to those who are position trading, to those who are quick traders. I hope you guys enjoyed today's week. Now, there were a lot of swings, volatility in the markets this week. But then again, it's all about how you follow the charts and follow your plan. I'm gonna talk about the top stocks that you guys requested. A lot of you, there were a lot of people who have been sending out a lot of specific stocks that you guys wanted to talk about. And thank you so much to you guys who have sent your suggestions for stocks that we're supposed to analyze. And if you're new to this channel, this is Stocks by Request, where I analyze the top stocks that you guys have been sending out via social media, via YouTube, via Facebook, via Instagram, and we analyze them and we somehow put them here. Please remember, as what I've been always saying, these are not stock picks. These are basically stock analysis with one goal in mind, just to educate you, just to teach you, just to show you the right rudiments on how you can invest and how you can trade the markets with confidence. So a couple of you posted this. Michelle Yap's asking for Dito. John Martinez is asking for Dito. Nelson Herrera, Tech and Dito. Edward Menosa asking for Dito. Quen Martinez, ICT. Ates Macaraeg, Dito also. Nico Baal, saying Dito, ICT. And all three daw, Josephine Abrigo, JFC, CNPF, MBT, Fritz Mauring, dito, Gelatel Gonzalez, dito, Chris Lapis, Tekan, dito, Cerulo Ogang, dito, Jason Henson, dito. Everyone is requesting for dito. So let's talk about dito in this stocks by request. So by the way, I'm using Chart Nexus. So the thing about Chart Nexus is it sort of puts it back here, that it starts from scratch. But from a very, very quick perspective, you will notice that it's continually pushing up ever since it changed its name. And if you do know that it came also from the movement here. So if you will interject this here, 1.8 or 1.7 here, you will see Dito to be over here, already passing the 1.7, 1.8 level. It's around 2 pesos. So what I'll do, just so we have continuity in the charts, there's a resistance at 1.7 which it already broke. Next thing that you could look at is probably here. So since it started to break past that, next possible area where it could go is 3.5. Then, or another resistance is at the 2.7 level for Dito. So I'll try to see how I can fix this chart. No, I'm not really sure why Chart Nexus didn't extend it, because I think it probably thinks it's a different name. I'll try to use a different charting platform when I'm analyzing Dito, but that's my take on Dito as of this point in time. Please do note, from a fundamental perspective, they still have to make money. They still have to operate. They still have to challenge Globe. There's so much talk about the third telco, but one of the things that people need to consider is they actually have to start taking market share from Globe. They actually have to start taking market share from Smart, Talk and Text, or everything under PLDT. They have to do that first for this to become a viable stock that people have to look at. Because at the end of the day, if we're just guessing that they're the third player, it does not prove that they're going to be profitable. It does not mean that they're going to crush it. It does not mean that they're going to make a lot of money. Please remember, at the end of the day, it will go back to where the consumers are. If consumers do not switch, then that means that they're not going to earn as much. It may take a longer time before you would see the stock price start to appreciate even further. And that's my take on it from a fundamental perspective. At best, it's still a wait and see up until they actually start taking a profit, until they start making money. Unless they do that, everything right now is borderline speculation. Anyways, let's continue. If you're new to this, by the way, please subscribe and smash that bell so you get updated. We just hit 100,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much for being part of this channel, trying to push and trying to learn and trying to be the best that you can be in terms of trading and investing. And I'm going to promise I'm going to do as much as I can. I'm going to make as much videos, going to give you as much content as possible because I want you guys to win. For the next stock, let's look at ICT. Comment below if you guys ask for ICT. So I ask you, what do you guys like? Do you like tech? Do you like Dito? Do you like ICT? Let's try to put them all in this vlog. I've been trying to just at least put one stock per vlog, but a lot of you guys have been sending a lot of messages, and I'm trying my best to answer all of them as well. So let's look at ICT. So pretty much, if you look at ICT, I'll zoom out first so you have a good context on what's happening to the stock. You will see virtually this. It looks almost the same as most of the stocks that I've been analyzing and I've been showing you. There's a critical breakdown that happened somewhere here, and it also happened way before all of those moving average also got broken. So this area, critical juncture, breakdown from those moving averages plus the support level here. Boom, it also got broken. Breakdown from moving average, breakdown from support, then poof, you see the stock start to go down massively. That being said, though, you can now assume that there's a lot of buying happening at this price, and you can also assume that if you try to put a resistance here, it tried to pummel down, build a resistance here. Then over the past few days, it started to go up. And if you want something to coincide with it, you will see that it's close still to the 200-day, to the 20-day moving average. So this previous resistance is now the new support. So possible narrative for ICT from a short-term perspective is if it stays above the 75.5 level, is it has a shot, a narrative to go and attack and try to push here to the 93 peso level. If it breaks out from the 93 level, there's a shot, there's a narrative that it now goes to the 107 peso level for the short term. So couple of resistances you need to remember for ICT, 93 pesos. Breakout from 93, target price will be the 109 level for the short term. So hits 93, you see a retracement, there's a possibility that it shoots back and goes back down here. Or if this level does not hold, there's a shot, there's a narrative that it starts to go back down. So please remember, if ICT fails to hold the 76 level, then it has a shot to go back down. Where? Possibly 20-day moving average, or worst comes to worst, back to the 62 level. That being said, though, it has not gone to that level since the lowest point in March. That being said also, if it holds this level, next resistance will be the 93 peso level. Fails to hold 93, sell, take profits. If you look at the margins here, the margins are quite exciting. It's still 22%. If it breaks out of that, then you have a larger margin at around the 44% range as well. So my suggestion, ICT, since there's no legit reversal yet, the next best thing that you can do is just trade the specific ranges. And the ranges are 63, 76.5, 93, and 106. Those are the key ranges that you need to remember for ICT. Look at the moving averages, look at the other indicators, but from a support and resistance perspective, this is where we are as of this point in time. So next stock, I know you guys requested for tech. We're gonna do tech as well. Comment below, sino yung team tech? Comment below who among you like ICT more. Comment below who among you like Dito. Anyways, this is how powerful the 200-day moving average is. You see the stock, by the way, I'm so excited. This is a support level here. Then you have another consolidation area. That's something that you can connect because it's building, the lows are starting to increase and go higher. There, it's starting to form something. That being said, it got hit, it got blocked by the 200-day moving average. For this to become somehow a bit legit in its push up, it's normal for it to retrace, go down, but as long as that retracement does not break this, then there's a possibility, there's a shot that it will try to attack this 9.53 level. If it does and successfully goes up, then we might see a reversal for tech stock. If not, then you might just see it start to fall down again, and we could just actually see it start to consolidate. But if it breaks out, possibility is that it will attack this and go to the 12 peso level for the short term. But not just that, it's now starting to reverse. Please remember, the largest resistance currently that it needs to clear, number one is this. Then you will see around this area for its, let me fix this, around that area. Then after that, possible area where you could go somewhere here. So these are the ranges that you must look for if you are trading tech. But please remember, tech came from a very, very high stock price. If you look at it, boom, it's right over there. And one of the reasons why it went even lower than its reference point in 2017, and if you notice it, the downside is massively, massively, massively big. But all of that happened, if you notice it, the bottom area around January, which is almost the same as March, was pretty much because all of this. Please remember, this entire downward movement was way before the coronavirus. This was all based on the trade war. Please remember, that's right smack in the middle of the trade war. Please remember, tech basically is an electronics company that exports, meaning whatever's happening in China, they're massively affected. That's why when the trade war was going on, for tech, please remember this. The bigger downside for tech wasn't because of the coronavirus. The bigger downside happened already because of the effect of the trade war to them. And that's where you saw the stock go from nearly 60 to close to 5 pesos per share for almost 2 years. So the downward push that we saw because of the coronavirus was just at the cusp, no, that it was already starting to consolidate as well. So couple of things you need to remember for those that are watching tech. 9.6 resistance, break out from that near the 12 peso levels, your next resistance level. Then over the next few days, you have to watch if this trend line will be broken or this will uphold itself, going towards a possible reversal for Surtech. So comment below, guys, if you have any other stocks that you guys want me to make, and I'll make more videos of that. I've been seeing a lot of requests for Jollibee, and we're gonna do a Jollibee stocks by request. I'll post it most likely either Saturday or Sunday. If you have other stocks that you guys want me to analyze, please put them in the comment section. I'll try to make stocks off of that. And if there's any other question that you guys want me to answer, I'll make videos off of that as well, so that I give you as much content as possible, so that you guys get to learn as much as possible as well. Because again, at the end of the day, that's my goal, that's my heart. The reason why I'm doing a lot of this is I just want you guys to win massively over and 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 over again. So guys, I have two YouTube channels. This one, if you're new to this, please subscribe. And if you like this video, super appreciate it if you could click the thumbs up. It helps the algorithm show this video to more and more Filipinos. And second channel, link is in the description. It's an infographic channel about investing. Then two online courses, they're also in the description below, with Chinkee Tan and Sean Si. Then my books also, we deliver locally via Shopee and via the online store as well. So everything there is on the link, is in the description below. You can click it. And I guess that's it. I hope that you guys enjoy this trading week. I'm just gonna continually make more videos for all of you. I'm just gonna make more content for all of you. I'm gonna I guess dedicate the finest hours of this lockdown also creating content and building something to make this country, this nation, our people more educated in terms of finance. So I guess that's it for now. It's a very, very quick stocks by request. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.